Can one machine really move 100 tons in just 3 scoops? This isn't just a job site. It's a battlefield where giants reshape the earth. And today, you're about to witness raw mining power like never before. In the heart of an abandoned quarry, where silence once fell over the fractured rock, something powerful awakens. This is where restoration begins, not with brushes or blueprints, but with the raw might of the mighty bulldozers. Today, we dive into the world of Komatsu D275 and Caterpillar D9R, two titans built to move mountains, reshape the land, and breathe life back into terrain long forgotten. When it comes to raw strength, few machines match the presence of the Komatsu D275. Designed to dominate tough terrain, this bulldozer transforms steep quarry walls into smooth, flowing contours. Under the hood lies a Komatsu SA-12V140E engine generating a colossal 515 horsepower, or 384 kilowatts. This level of power isn't just impressive, it's essential for pushing tons of dense earth down uneven slopes. Weighing around 55 tons, the D275 delivers exceptional traction and stability. It carves into the hillside with precision, using its mass as an anchor to push confidently through resistance. Fitted with a semi-U blade holding up to 15 cubic meters of material, it moves more per pass, making it a key player in large-scale restoration. Fewer passes, greater efficiency, and a smoother result. This is not just a bulldozer, it's a force of nature, engineered to command the landscape and shape the future beneath its blade. Working in tandem with the Komatsu is the Caterpillar D9R, a true workhorse known for its reliability and finesse. While the D275 breaks through bulk material, the D9R brings balance and finishing detail to the process. Powered by a CAT 3408C engine, the D9R delivers around 405 horsepower, or 302 kilowatts, a well-balanced output ideal for tough slopes and layered surfaces. At approximately 48 tons, the D9R is slightly lighter, giving it agility on the terrain while still providing the mass needed for effective grading and controlled pushing. Equipped with a straight blade with a capacity of about 13 cubic meters, it excels at precision tasks, leveling material with smooth accuracy, refining the contours laid out by its heavier partner. The D9R is the craftsman on site, steady, reliable, and vital to delivering the final touch in any reclamation project. Together, the Komatsu D275 and Caterpillar D9R don't just move dirt. They restore landscapes and redefine what heavy machinery can do. At a sprawling marble quarry in northern Greece, colossal machines operate in precise coordination to extract massive marble blocks directly from the exposed rock face. Once a block is separated from the mountainside, each machine assumes its designated role in the carefully orchestrated operation. The Caterpillar 992D moves into position. With its robust hydraulics and powerful lift arms, it approaches the freshly cut block with calculated precision. In a single fluid motion, the 992D secures the marble slab, easily weighing over 30 tons, and hoists it effortlessly into the air. Across the site, a Caterpillar 775E haul truck reverses into place, its reinforced bed ready to receive the load. The 992D operator aligns with precision, gently placing the block onto the truck's platform without a single crack or shift. This seamless handoff between loader and hauler is a testament to both machine capability and operator skill. Every move optimized for safety, efficiency, and the preservation of the marble's flawless surface. In the non-stop rhythm of a working quarry, the Caterpillar 992K wheel loader stands out as a true powerhouse, relentless and built for the toughest jobs. With every commanding movement, it works tirelessly to scoop up freshly blasted material and load it into waiting Caterpillar 777F haul trucks. Pushing out an impressive 814 horsepower and equipped with a bucket capacity ranging from 10.7 to 12.3 cubic meters. The 992K handles massive volumes with ease. Its advanced hydraulic system delivers smooth, precise control, ensuring fast cycles and optimal performance on every load. Teaming up with flawless efficiency, the Caterpillar 777F trucks, with a payload capacity of 91 tons, roll in to receive the material. Powered by a 938 horsepower engine, and reinforced with heavy-duty suspension, they're built to navigate the rugged terrain of the quarry with confidence. Once fully loaded, each truck powers up and heads straight toward the processing zone, keeping the flow of material moving without pause. The seamless collaboration between the 992K loader and the 777F haulers not only keeps material flowing efficiently to the crushers, but also showcases the unmatched strength and reliability of Caterpillar's heavy equipment lineup. In this video, we witness the Komatsu PC4000 hydraulic excavator in action, efficiently loading dump trucks with overburden. The fine and smooth nature of the material ensures a seamless loading process, highlighting the machine's precision and power. The PC4000 is equipped with a Komatsu SDA16V160E-3 engine, delivering 1,875 horsepower. Its 22 cubic meter bucket capacity allows for rapid loading, making it ideal for large-scale mining operations. Designed for durability and performance, this excavator features advanced hydraulic systems and a robust undercarriage, ensuring reliable operation even in the most demanding conditions. The combination of powerful digging forces and efficient material handling makes the Komatsu PC4000 a valuable asset in any mining fleet. At the heart of a busy mining site, the Hitachi EX2600-6 excavator stands like a mechanical titan. Weighing 254 tons and powered by a Cummins QSKTA50CE engine delivering 1,500 horsepower, it handles the toughest digging jobs with ease. Its 17 cubic meter bucket allows rapid material loading, especially when paired with the Komatsu HD785, a haul truck with a 91-ton payload and 60 cubic meter dump body. This dynamic duo forms a high-performance loading system. The excavator's precision hydraulics and massive reach fill the truck in just a few cycles, while the Komatsu's robust powertrain and advanced braking keep operations steady across rough terrain. Each load of sand isn't just a task. It's a display of modern engineering, optimized workflow, and technological synergy. Together, these two machines turn excavation into a symphony of strength, precision, and speed, driving productivity to new heights in the mining industry. In the demanding world of mining, efficiency and power are paramount. The Liebherr R9350 excavator rises to this challenge, showcasing its capability to load a 100-ton haul truck in just 3 bucket fills. Weighing approximately 302 metric tons, the R9350 is equipped with a robust Cummins QSK45 engine, delivering an impressive 1,120 kilowatts, equivalent to 1,500 horsepower. Its 18 cubic meter bucket is engineered for optimal fill factors, ensuring maximum material per scoop. This efficiency translates to reduced cycle times and increased productivity on the job site. The excavator's advanced hydraulic system and precise control mechanisms allow for swift and accurate movements, minimizing downtime and maximizing output. Designed for durability and performance, the R9350 combines cutting-edge technology with rugged construction, making it a reliable asset in any mining operation.